It's race day. We're flying McDermott, Nevada, 380 miles. We're at Juan Soto's Loft. Released at 6:18. No birds yet. It's past 2 p.m. We're at 1,200 yards per minute. What time do you expect the birds, Juan?
In an hour?
An hour?
Yeah, I think they're gonna be here in an hour.
Oh shit. Show me, take a couple minutes and show me your old bird setup here, Juan.
This is where you find the widow loft. The first loft is the hen.
Uh-huh.
Second loft is the widow loft.
All right.
Just open it.
Let's take a look here.
I'm showing that. I have a nice one in the right to show you over the door.
Okay. This is his feed. He shared this with us a few moments ago when I did my live. So basically, if you take a look, this is Versalaga Energy, 3 bags, 1 bag of Versalaga Champion, and 1 bag of popcorn. So that is his mix. I believe he feeds this 7 days a week. No changing. So just straight. That's his mix right there. Let's take a look at his old bird setup. So these are the hens. All the birds went to the race today. He flies widowhood, cocks and hens. Widowhood, cocks and hens, huh?
Yes. This is the queen compartment over here. I have a couple hens. They appear in the corner. I put them a baby, 5-day-old baby.
Uh-huh.
And these ones over here, they have in the back. In the front, they have a 10-day with the eggs.
That's how you set them up to go to the race today, huh?
Yeah. And this is my widowhood loft.
Oh, nice. Look at this.
Uh-huh.
How many cocks are on the team?
24.
24.
24 cocks and 19 hens.
Nice. And plenty of space, huh? Because this is more than 24 boxes.
Oh, yeah.
So you let them choose
Whatever they want.
whatever they want?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I was telling him earlier about the feed. That's just straight, 7 days a week? You feed them straight?
Straight.
That's the food?
Uh-huh.
And what, do you do any, how much per pigeon?
I give them all they want. If I have 20 birds, I give them for 40. And when I came in the afternoon from work, I pick them up the rest and that's it.
And when do you lay the feed down?
8 o'clock in the morning, every day.
So 8 o'clock in the morning, you lay down food for 40 pigeons?
Yeah.
And whatever is left come, what, 2 o'clock you said?
Now, 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock when you come back here in the afternoon to the loft, whatever's left on the feeders,
Take it out.
take it out and what, give it to the
young birds.
The young birds or wherever.
Or the breeders.
That's it, huh?
Yeah.
Simple feeding system.
Yeah.
You don't like to break them down, give the barley or light food during the week?
No, because they don't like the barley. And why you want to suffer the bird?
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
If
that's
you run the marathon, you don't want to take weight. After you run it, you got to do something to help you out to build the body back again.
that's right.
Simple.
That's the beauty about pigeon racing.
Yep.
You ask 10 different guys how to feed the pigeons, how they feed their pigeons, and you probably most likely get 10 different answers. But this is, I see more and more European fanciers feeding this way. They don't have a light to heavy type mix. They have one standard mix that they feed all throughout the week, and they let the pigeons have at it and eat what they like. So we're just waiting for some birds. It's a little warm today at the release. In my neighborhood, when I left to come down over here, it was 90 degrees. I guess there's some headwinds en route. So 10, 15 mile an hour headwinds, and combined with some heat, it could be trouble for the pigeons. So we're waiting for some birds. The north doesn't have any birds yet, and they're at least 100 kilometers shorter than us. They're at 1,000 yards per minute, I'm sure. So we're here just waiting for some pigeons. So we'll see if we get them here pretty soon. This is his young bird section, in which he flies the darkening system. The birds have been coaxed in back into the loft as he closes the loft, or closes the young bird section and darkens them at 2 p.m. So they're in there sleeping already. And that's it. We were talking earlier about the dark system. And yep, he closes them up at 2 p.m. and they wake up to the natural sunrise. So that'll be another video. We'll come over here and talk about more on that system, and probably 99% of the guys all around the world who fly young birds are flying this system. So we'll talk more about that, and we'll be waiting for some birds. We'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And subscribe to my channel. And like, share, do all that crazy stuff. Okay? Thank you for following. This is the Stallion. Take it easy, guys.